Hello, this is Dominic. I want to give you a quick tour of our RV and what we have and what we use it for. It's a Thor. It's a 2021 Thor Compass all-wheel drive. It's 24 feet, and it's been a good RV for us. And what we do, we like touring around and getting into closed small areas, and this Compass has done that for us pretty well. And I'll give you a tour of this is just a quick tour of the outside. I'll show you the inside a little bit and tell you some of what we've liked, what we don't like. This is the main circuit switch, so I'm turning that back on so I can get the lights on in here. And right now we have it, we have it at home, and we were cleaning it up after the last trip, and there are a couple items in here that I have to work on. And anytime you have an RV, you're always going to have things that you got to work on, and that's the case with this one. Although it's been fantastic in so many ways. There's so many things that we've been able to do. We just got back from Durango and had the pleasure of visiting family. But there in Durango, we were able to park it there at the State Fair in Durango, which was really cool. And it was right in town, so that made it pretty nice. And usually we get to park in fairly small places, a lot easier than most. But along with the RV comes other things and other responsibilities. You will always have, I'll turn on the lights. This is the front of the cab, by the way. It's a Ford Transit, and it's fabulous driving. So I can't think of anything better to drive. It's solid on the road. The wind doesn't blow it too bad, but it's been very good. But here's an example of some of the things that we have to fix, or that I need to fix. This is an automatic skylight that broke. There's a string here that broke, so I had to put up some light protection to keep it from getting too hot. Can't remember what this stuff is called, but we got that to do. And I've got to get the one of the Bluetooth pairing devices on the screen is not working, so I've got some work to do here. See that you can control everything from the RV with this screen, but the BMP Pro, for whatever reason, or RV Master I think is what it's called, for whatever reason it's not wanting to pair with my Bluetooth and come out of that screen, so I've got to work on that. But this is the inside, and this is how it looks, with the slide in. But I'll show you when you open the slide on this RV, it gets pretty large all in all, and you have a lot more room. Plenty of room for the two of us and our dog, who we mostly travel with. And maybe too much room. Nah, it's never too much room. But the bed back here slides out or folds out, which is pretty helpful. Gives us plenty of room. But I have had a little trouble with both the motors on this slide, and you'll need to consider that when you buy a slide. There may be some additional maintenance you'll have to do to make sure your motors keep running in good running condition. The good news is that they weren't too bad to replace. It took me a little while to figure out how to do it, but once I figured out how to get the motors working and operational and installed, once I learned how to do that, it wasn't too bad. But this is the bed part that folds out, so I'll show you that details in another video of how all of that works. I just wanted to give you, an overview of the inside of the Thor Compass all-wheel drive. It's a 23 TW, I think is what it's called. So it's 23 feet, and here's the bathroom. I'll give you more details about each thing and more videos to come with, where we go and what we do with it. We've already had it 2 years now, traveled quite a bit, but I wanted to start showing you some of Colorado and the Rocky Mountains and places that we take it. So if you like this video and you want to see more, if you'd subscribe below, that would help my channel out, and I'll keep sending travel videos, RV videos, places we go, things that we see, and some of the technical details that we had to, resolve and overcome as far as remote work and what have you. So anyway, that's it for now. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.